Hello, my name is Nguyên Kha. I am 8 years old. Don't hiccup. Don't enter a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic. Don't eat nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Don's mother gives her a surprise. Hic, hic. Don't stick has hiccup. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But don't stick has hiccups. Such on a slice up a lemon. Hic. But don't stick has hiccup. A nurse gives Don a glass of water. The ring is upside down. Upside down. Don't hiccup. Go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers. Thank you for watching and goodbye.